Put those hands together all across the building tonight. Let the devil know that you're encouraged. Let him know that you're encouraged. Let him know. Hallelujah. I don't know about you tonight, but somebody may be crying, but I come to let you know that God can make it all right. Ooh, yes. Be encouraged. Oh, he will. He'll make it all right. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. I know right now it's impossible to see. But God is gonna work it out if you just believe. Remember this one thing while you're going through. If God delivered Daniel, guess what? He'll do the same for you. Hey. Troubles don't last always. These trials are just a test. These trials, just a test of your faith. So stand strong, and dry your weeping eyes. 'Cause joy comes in the morning. And everything is gonna be all right. Be encouraged. Hey, hey, hey. That's what he said. That's what he told me. Oh, you gotta be encouraged.
You got to be encouraged.
Somebody got bills tonight. Somebody don't know where the children are.
But you can make it.
I guarantee he'll make it all right.
He said I'll make it all right.
Yeah. Be encouraged. No matter what's going on. Jesus will. How many of you all believe that tonight? Come on.
He's steadfast and unmovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord. No, you're not that your labor's not in vain. In the Lord.
Oh Lord. Somebody wants to be strong tonight. Well, we come to let you know. All you got to do is hold on. Stand now.
I don't know about you, but I know that prayer has changed. I don't always depend on the word that prayer will. I know for myself that prayer has changed some things. And I believe I have some more under the sound of my voice, no distance said. And what God has done before, God can do again. We're going to come together. We're going to walk out. We're going to put hands and continue to touch and agree. seems it should be holding someone's hand. And I know that we have prayed individually. I know that. But how many know where there are 2 or 3 touching and agreeing, he will be one in the midst. How good and how pleasant it is for brothers and sisters to dwell together in unity. So your head bowed and your hearts open and your faith in motion. Our God, our Father, our Creator, our giver of life and